This is a review of the MSR folding utensil. It is a Spork. Going to film on, I wanted to find something that was light and packable. I have some Sea to Summit silverware that I love, but it doesn't fit in my cooking pot very well. So I got this in hopes that when it folds in half, it will fit in my pot. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll find out. It is 3.35 ounces, so very lightweight. When I went to order this off of Moose Jaw, I was ordering two, one for me and my son, and by the time I hit to pay, they only had one left, so I ended up getting only one. BPA free, sans BPA. That's the information on the back about it. It's definitely very lightweight. When I first used it, I first got it out of the package, I was like, how in the world do you get it to bend? That was a little bit hard to figure out, and then I read the directions. Which say, squeeze to unlock. So it helps if you read the directions. I was like, oh, that makes more sense. So you squeeze it right here, and that helps it so that it will fold in half. See, you can do it one-handed now. And it folds down nice and small. We'll see if it fits in my pot. This is my pot cooking kit. I'll be doing a separate review on this a little bit later, but I wanted to see if these, or this, Spork would fit inside like I'm hoping it will. It's a duffel pot system. Oops, two pots. It fits perfectly. That'll work. And I got room to add some other stuff. So, first impressions, I'm very pleased with this. It is very lightweight. Folds down good. When it's retracted too, it's pretty solid. It's not trying to fold in half. So it should be good on the trail. We'll test it out and see. I'll let you know.